Hello everybody, this is Clara
and Cristina,
and today we had the pleasure of spending our afternoon in the garden at our holiday house in Predeal, Romania, a little town in the Carpathian Mountains, enjoying some fresh strawberry lemonade and homemade vegan pancakes that we will shortly show you how we made. Enjoy! As for the decor itself, we've got most of the items from Zara Home, the teapot, teacups and strawberry plates. However, we've also got items from different trips around Europe. For example, the napkin rings and sugar bowls are from Liner Vienna. The ice cream cups are from a flower shop named Marco Traverso et Histoire d'Ours in Monte Carlo. The runner and placemats are from Villeroy & Boch, Metlach factory, and the cutlery is from Leclerc, Nice. And my two personal favorites are these two cuties right here that my sweet mom Cristina stitched. Starting off with our vegan pancakes, you will need a pinch of salt, 20 grams of baking powder, 40 milliliters of oil, 5 grams of vanilla, 100 grams of sugar, 400 grams of flour, 200 grams of strawberries, and last but not least 400 milliliters of sparkling water. Firstly, add in your dry ingredients and then your wet ones and mix it well until it gets all nice and fluffy. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and while it sits we can prepare the filling of the pancake by cutting off a couple of strawberries. After the 10 minutes have passed and the dough has raised, you can bake your pancake on each side for 30 to 60 seconds at low heat, and make sure to add in your strawberry filling. And now for the strawberry topping, you will need 100 grams of sugar, 20 milliliters of water, a pinch of salt, 5 grams of cornstarch, and 250 grams of strawberries. Begin by cutting your strawberries in half and give them a good blend. Turn on the stove on low heat and add in your strawberries and your sugar to a saucepan. Let the strawberries and sugar melt. Mix the cornstarch and the water together and add it to the strawberry sauce. Add a pinch of salt and mix everything together. Continue cooking the strawberry sauce for 15 minutes on low heat. Place it in a bowl. Cut the strawberries in quarters. And then squeeze half a lemon. Put the strawberries in the glass. Add honey and the lemon juice. Smash all together. Add ice and a couple of lemon slices. Blend everything and fill with water. Decorate with a slice of lemon and 1 strawberry. Enjoy! Let's strawberry!